The next step is to find the total. In order to find the total, we have to make use of the function. Click on the first empty cell of total, type equal to, select the function sum from the list. Now, drag and select the subjects of which you need to find the total. Press OK. Let us find the total once more. Click on the cell, type equal to, select the function sum. Now drag and select the subject marks. Click OK. Another easy way to find the total is to just dragging the cells downwards. The function will be applied automatically to all other cells. The work you have done is currently stored in the computer's temporary memory. To save the work for future use, you must give the worksheet a name and store it on the hard disk. Select Save command from the Office button. The Save As dialog box appears. This will save the file in a particular folder. In the file name box, type any name of your choice. Click on Save. Let us now record the data for the second week. Spreadsheet packages allow users to copy the contents of one cell to another. Select the cells you want to copy from. If you want to copy many adjacent cells, select them by dragging your mouse over them. Go to the Home tab and select Copy. Click on the cell where you want to place the contents. Go to the Home tab again and click Paste. Alternatively, you can right-click on the cell and select the option. You can copy the contents of multiple cells by a single command. Therefore, to make the spreadsheet for the second week, it will be easier to copy the entire first week's column and row headings and data below it.